So as you can see, these pancakes that are ready now, ready to be consumed. They look so good, so nice. So first of all, I am going to melt the butter. Here are the eggs we are going to use. I will use 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Okay, I'm not the best in breaking the eggs, I will use a banana, cut it in half. I will use the half of the banana only. And I will also add some tree tomato and maracuja or passion fruit to add some flavor. I will only use the juice of the fruits, the juice of the tree tomato and the juice of the passion fruit. All I need is just some flavor, I'm not gonna use a lot of juice, so that's why I used small portion. As you can see, I got some juice. And then I have peeled my banana. Break it. And I am going to do this. So these are my eggs. Okay, now I am going to add some sugar. One and a half of the spoon. Then I'm going to add some salt. Just a very, very small portion, like a pinch of salt. Not too much. Then I will add the butter, but fried like this one. Which I have fried. Then I mix it up. Here I will also use the skin of the lemon to add more flavor. Okay, so I'm going to add in some milk. Yeah. Yeah, I added some more milk because I like milk. I like when I can taste milk. So then I'm going to add my fruits in. Next, I will add some flour. Yes. I will add flour. This is home baking flour actually that I'm adding. Okay, then I will add vanilla sugar. Vanilla sugar. Yes. And then I will add some baking powder. 1 spoon. Okay, now it's time to mix everything together. And I don't have the best pan, but I'm gonna use it anyway. So yes. Look at this. Oh my God. God. So as you can see, these pancakes that are ready now, ready to be consumed. They look so good, so nice, amazing, beautiful.